I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than
Hi there, welcome back again to a new episode of the Home Edit. My name is Essay and you're welcome to my master bedroom. Today we're going to be editing this room and my inspiration is Japandi. I love the Japandi style because of how minimalist and neutral and welcoming the Japandi style is. Here are some examples of spaces that I've used as inspiration in decorating my space. Decor tip. Always have an idea of what your style or inspiration for the room is before purchasing furniture. Okay guys, so we're in the room. It's time to fix the bed. I'm just going to lift the mattress up and lean it against the wall and then start fixing the bed frame. Wardrobe is going to come in later, but for now let's just do the bed frame first and get this room slowly but surely where we want it to be. Obi, I'm ready. Here are some things to consider when purchasing your bed frame. Setting a budget. Your budget will determine the quality of bed frame you're going to get. I recommend that you splurge a little on a very good and sturdy bed frame because the cheap ones might just be squeaky. Secondly, measure. This will help you determine the size of bed frame that you need. So make sure you measure your room and give yourself at least 24 inches off both sides of the wall so that you're not cramping your bed. Another thing to consider is if you want to get a bed that already has an inbuilt storage or if you prefer to just store things in boxes under your bed. Also consider the height of your bed frame. I prefer one that is slightly elevated above the ground and not too high and not too low. And lastly, consider your aesthetic in buying the bed frame. Bed is done, fully installed. Has been a long time coming. Thank you, Jesus. That's the end, guys. I'm too tired to continue vlogging. See you tomorrow. Okay guys, I know you're loving this video, so do me a favor and hit that like button. Please do it now. I'm waiting. Thank you so much. And also hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed and you would love to see more of my content. Thank you. So guys, I just want to quickly show you like a quick before everything changes. Just wanted to quickly get a clip of what the room looks like now. Basically empty, just our bed and mattress. Oops, my tripod just turned down. So if I get from this angle, there's a bean bag and a bunch of cartons. So yeah, hopefully this is transformed nicely. Wardrobes versus drawers. Well, for our Japandi-inspired room, we decided to use drawers just so that we could achieve that airy feel as our room is quite small, as you can see. Putting a wardrobe in this room will just act like another wall and closes us in even more. Another option, if you're someone who has a small space and wants to achieve this airy look, is to use those standing clothes racks. However, you need to find another spot in the house to keep a majority of your clothes. So, beautiful wardrobe is all set up and very, very pleased. I took the measurements and it fits perfectly in the corner of the bed. We're so tired. Hey guys, so I'm in my bedroom and I'm so excited because I love this bed. This bed was gotten from I'm trying to remember the name of the brand is actually Sleepy's, but we got it from Dreams. I made a vlog about how we went to Dreams to test out the bed. Like the Dreams experience was very, very, very helpful. I have had no issues, or we've had no issues sleeping on this bed. We absolutely love it. It's like sleeping on clouds. I'm going to insert all the details I can find on this mattress. I keep interchanging mattress and bed. The bed, sorry, I meant mattress. The mattress you're going to sleep on is very, very, very important when you are furnishing your house. Like mattress sofas, a huge investment that you don't want to, you know, go for a cheaper option just because in the long run it will come back and bite you in the ass. You don't want to, you know, go to bed and your back is aching you because the bed is too hard or too soft or too springy. Now, speaking of bed frame, my bed frame here is from a company called Dusk. This one was a huge gamble because I've never heard of this company before. I just googled bed frames. I didn't want to buy from Amazon, so I got this bed frame from Dusk, and surprisingly it's been okay. Now, there are a few things about this bed. It does move. So it's not like really heavy and sturdy on the ground, but when you're on it, it's not like it shakes a lot. It's just that it does move. I don't know how else to explain it. They were doing sales over the Christmas period, so I got it for £250, which I think is a steal. This is the king size, and last but not least is this lovely bedding, guys. This year I'm all about neutral tones and white. I mainly like white bedding, but I definitely want to try out, you know, neutral tones, beige and all, because that's the aesthetics I'm going for in decorating this house. And yeah, but this one I love is a quilted bedding set. Oh my god, guys, when I tell you that this thing feels like clouds, it feels like we're sleeping on clouds. It is really, really good. So I'm not going to waste time any further. Let's now go into some of the things, the pieces that I picked up for the room that has actually come. A few of the things I picked hasn't arrived yet, but there's no time. I just wanted to quickly come and, you know, put all those pieces together and then see how it looks and if I need to make any more changes or return some stuff. Okay, so let's start. Ignore the chaos happening here. It's just because nothing has really been properly set up. I got this rug from Argos and I'm going to be using it. It's a runner. This is our mattress. I believe it is our mattress protector, because we currently don't have a mattress protector and that's not nice. And here is the box. I don't even know why I'm showing you boxes, but these are the things I'm going to be unboxing right now. This is the side table and this is a bedside lamp. And we have our mirror, guys. I'm going to show you the mirror very soon. So let's start with unboxing the rug.
Look out, here she
Guys,
comes.
I was looking for a rug to fit my bedside and I couldn't find the right size. So I decided to hack it by joining my foot mat with the runner rug I found on Argos. Doesn't it look like one piece of rug? No one's gonna know.
Because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know.
So because I live in a rental apartment or a rental house, I can't put up wall sconces, which is essentially screwing lights into your wall, but I wanted that same effect. At the same time, I wanted to save costs, so I found the perfect floor lamp shelf from Habitat, which is also Argos, by the way. It doubles as a floor lamp and a side table. What a way to save money. I didn't need to buy another extra table, and I got the scones effect that I wanted.
It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did.
Guys, I'm loving the room. It's a very simple aesthetic I'm going for. I've put the basics in. The only thing that is missing is the ottoman or the bench that was supposed to go here in front of the bed. I'm actually wanting to do something unconventional with the ottoman. I don't want to put it here because I just feel like I'm crowding the bed on all sides of but yeah, this is where a bench is going to go, an ottoman bench, rather than putting it in front of the bed. But yeah, I just feel like it would really make this area sing. I know you might be thinking, Esther, why didn't you just put the same side stool on both sides? No. The reason being, I just wanted to do something unconventional, not the basics, play with heights, but I wanted to keep the curved shape. So if you see the curve of this lamp, that's what I was, and the bulb, or the you get the gist. I wanted to replicate that in the curve of this lamp here, but something smaller. And yeah, I think so far so good. It's working. But of course, guys, of everything that I ordered, this mirror from Dunheim, or is it Dunelm? I don't even know the correct pronunciation. It is my favorite thing. I wanted a full length mirror. I didn't want to go for what every single person out there is going for, which is like the arched mirror. I feel like this one just has such a lovely character, and it plays well into my Scandinavian, Japan minimalist aesthetics that I love. So I'm just going to try to look for something to make sure this doesn't slide. Guys, if you have any clue how I can secure this without this sliding, personally I would have just, screwed it into the wall as advised, but my landlord has said we should not screw any goddamn thing. So yeah.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for.
Okay guys, welcome back again. As you guys just saw, I just finished laying my bed. I put first the mattress protector that I talked about. It's waterproof, so it's really great for protecting the mattress from getting bad, and if there's any spills or whatever, we're definitely sure it's not going to seep through and enter the mattress. Guys, I'm really happy because the room has been updated. Yes, yesterday night I went on an impromptu shopping spree. Scratch that, not shopping spree, but I went to Homesense essentially, which is it's like an outlet. It's like TK Maxx, but the furniture is actually TK Maxx, but the furniture section of TK Maxx. So I went there yesterday to get a bench. Remember I talked about having a storage bench at the end of the bed or opposite side of the wall. Well, I got the bench yesterday, and remember I said I'd already ordered one before. Guys, I decided not to go for the one I ordered online just because I found out that the website where I ordered the bench from was
shady, so I'm in the process of trying to get my money back. I ordered it more than a week ago. I haven't heard from them. They sent me the DHL tracking number. By the way, the name of this company is Dolls. It's spelled DAALS. They have nice looking pieces online, but don't trust everything you see online. I saw some good reviews on their page. However, when I went to check Google reviews, it was predominantly bad. A lot of people were saying their stuff never came, or it took months, and even after it arrived damaged. So I was like, you know what, I'm not taking this risk. They sent me the DHL tracking number. I tracked it. DHL claims, because I actually called DHL, they claim that the people just generated a tracking number, that's this company, but they haven't actually given them the order or the goods to deliver. So I was like, that's even perfect. So I contacted their customer care. So I just told her, this is what DHL is saying. You have not dispatched the goods. Please cancel it and process my refund. She said to me that they're going to be able to process my refund. So I've closed that chapter. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I went to Homesense. Oh my god, guys, Homesense is amazing. So the thing with Homesense is that I feel like Homesense sort of operates like an outlet store, because you find one of one. Like, you're never sure what you're gonna get, and most of the things there are already assembled. It's not flat packed, but they always have interesting, like, really nice stuff. I saw a lot of pieces that I was like, oh, I wish I came here earlier. A lot of lovely looking accent chairs that would have been so nice in my living room. Like, I honestly want to just throw away my accent chair in the living room right now and just buy a new one, but we can't. Anyway, I got this bench. I'm going to show you the bench. The bench is very, very, very lovely. It's wooden. I initially wanted to go for a boucle Ottoman bench because of storage, because as you can see in this room, the only storage we have is the drawers from IKEA. So I wanted somewhere where I could put linen and some extra bits and bobs around the room. And so this bench just provided that for me. I actually found these baskets as well, and they were going for £25, which was a steal. So I just bought them, and it was the perfect size for underneath the bench. In comparison to the boucle Ottoman that I wanted to get, this is so much more practical, and it gives the room a whole lot of character. I didn't want to... Obi, on the other hand, actually likes the boucle one because it feels like it's soft and it gives that roomy feel. But I just wanted to add a little bit, like I said, character. Plus, the boucle might be difficult to maintain because you can't take out the fabric and, you know, wash it and whatnot. So it's gonna get dirty eventually. So yeah. So guys, this is the dilemma I'm having right now. A part of me feels like the bench should be black. Let me know in the comment section if you think I should paint it black. So guys, yeah, I'm very happy with how the room turned out. Obi and I love it so much. We think the room is very serene and peaceful and spacious the way we like it. It's quite a small space, so we didn't want to overcrowd it. We're definitely going to put some decorative pieces like plants, pictures, but we want to put meaningful things, not just random things just because we want to decorate. And we don't want to go too heavy on the decorations. We're not trying to do it by the books. We're trying to do things differently. As you can tell, typically people would place the bench in front of the bed. I'm flipping that on its head. I'm trying to put it in a place where it makes more sense for me. And so these are some of the things you should consider when you're decorating your house. Don't just go with trends. I would say do what feels good to you. Same thing I did with the lamps. I could have made it symmetrical, but I don't want to do that. I want to do what Essay wants, you know, put your signature on your own interior. I think that's what makes interior design very, very, very fun.
I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. that you won't go. Say that you won't go.